2004 MACK CH613. Got a 460 MACK engine, a 13-speed MACK transmission, headache rack, dual pipes, 11R 24 valves all the way around, some aluminum rims. There's a shot of your MACK rear end. Raised fifth wheel. Half fenders. There's your air tanks. Shot of your engine. Nice maroon paint. About over $719,000 on this truck. You come check this truck out here at Southern Equipment Sales at our lot, Finger, Tennessee. You can also check this truck out on our website, southernequipmentllc.com. Thank you for watching our video.